everyone, Michelle McCarthy here from Homeschooling in the Pines. Welcome back to my channel. Today is week 2 from the Taste of Summer series. The Taste of Summer series is a collaboration that I'm co-hosting with Claire from Cookie Crumb Fun and April from the Simple Rocket Path, in where we are sharing with you all summer recipes. Last week we shared with you all a summer side dish. This week we're gonna do dessert. Next week we are doing a summer drink, and the week after that will be the last week of the series. We're gonna be sharing with you all a summer salad. Okay, so make sure after you're done watching this video to go in the playlist and check what we did last week, and all the videos from this week until the end of the series will be posted in that playlist below. So what I'm making for you today, like I said, we are doing a dessert. I'm making something really simple. It's called a strawberry poke cake. It is really light and really refreshing dessert, so I wanted to make it for all of you guys. So we need for this recipe, you're going to need a cake mix, a white cake mix, and you're going to prepare this just like it says in the box, okay? So that's why I have some eggs here and oil and some water. So you'll prepare it exactly how it says in the back of the box. You can use whatever brand you want. Another thing you're gonna need is gonna be some strawberry jello. We're gonna need some strawberries, some blueberries, and some Cool Whip, okay? This is all you need for this recipe. So the first thing we're gonna do, and I will not show you in the video, but I'm gonna be making the cake mix first, okay? Once you're done with the cake mix, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing next. So the cake is done per the instructions in the box, and I let it cool for about 10 minutes, okay? So after you let it cool for 10 minutes, you're gonna take a fork and you're gonna poke some holes in the cake. So you're gonna go ahead and poke holes all over the cake, okay? Once you're done poking the holes, I have some water boiling. Put some boil some water and put your container of strawberry jello in the boiling water, okay? Okay, so you're gonna put your container, and then you're gonna put half a cup of cold water, okay? We're gonna turn it off. We are going to stir. Ooh, very close. We're going to stir it. We stir it, we're gonna put it on top of the cake. Make sure it covers the whole cake. Right, so once you're done pouring it on the cake, you're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and you're gonna refrigerate it for 3 hours. Okay, so now that the cake has been cooled for about 2.5 hours, I'm gonna put some Cool Whip on for the frosting. Okay, so now that the frosting is there, I'm gonna put some strawberries on it. Our 4th of July get together, so I'm trying to make it look a little bit like the American flag. So this is our strawberry poke cake that we're having for our 4th of July celebration. If you have any questions about this recipe, just let me know. Make sure you check the playlist below and check everyone's video. Also make sure to check Claire and April's channel for more recipes and also for some homeschooling ideas. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. See you all soon. Bye.